Hi and welcome students. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you about job search skills, and I'm going to be going over planning for your job search if you happen to be unemployed or recently graduated from college and you want to get back into the swing of things in the workplace or start your career. Let's go ahead and get started. So, we're going to be talking about the planning process, and careful planning and good time management are important for your job search. A lot of people procrastinate when it comes to searching for their job right out of college, or maybe if you're in between jobs, but it's usually the result of poor organization. Almost everyone is prone to procrastination, so if you're somebody who maybe has dealt with that in the past, don't worry, you're not alone. In a job search, what that means is you're missing appointments, interviews, and ultimately out on your job opportunities. So make sure that we try not to procrastinate on that planning process. To avoid this, you're going to want to include some realistic objectives for each day of your job search. Usually, when you create a plan and you're more organized, you're going to procrastinate less because you're going to want to hit those daily goals. It's very, very important to have not only long term goals, which would be getting the career of your choice or the job that you're looking for, but also your very short term goals, like I'm going to make 5 calls within the next hour, or I'm going to fill out 5 applications within the next 2 hours, something like that. So having a deadline for each weekly and daily goal is really going to help out your job search. All right, so your job search is kind of a full-time job, so you're going to want to view it that way. A lot of people might only search for a job for a little bit during the day, maybe it's just 8 hours a week or something like that, and then they go into working 40 or 45 hours a week, and it's a huge change from their previous schedule, and so it could be a big shock. To avoid that big shock, you're going to want to create kind of a schedule or 8 hour day of searching for jobs while you currently do not have one. Schedule some time for relaxation, but it shouldn't take away from your job search. So you obviously want to have a nice work-life balance, but obviously if the work's not there, it's gonna probably get a little bit too much on that life balance. So you're gonna want to watch out for that and definitely keep with your plan, and that'll help you kind of avoid that procrastination that I was talking about earlier. So the next thing that you're gonna want to do is once you begin your search, keep going until you have the job. So don't, just take somebody's word for it that, oh, hey, I got a job for you, no problem. Wait until you actually have that job or you sign that contract, or once you get in touch with HR with the company that you're trying to work for. You always want to plan your week in advance and always begin your day early. I'm personally somebody who likes to sleep in a little bit more, so that beginning your day early thing can be kind of tough for me. But if you know that your job is going to require you to wake up early, then you're going to want to probably get in the habit of waking up early. And then the last part that I wanted to talk about was following up on your leads, your requests for resumes, and so on immediately. One way that I do this is I make sure that I have my email linked up on my phone. That way, if somebody sends me an email and says, "Hey, I wanted to follow up on our interview. Please give me a call back," you can call those people right away, and you can get those answers that you're looking for, and hopefully the job that you're looking for a little bit faster by having that communication right at your fingertips. So hopefully this video has helped you out when it comes to planning for a job and getting ready to start your career. And if it has, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comments, please put it in the comment section, and have a great day.